I'm recording you too.
Ooh.
Me too. Me too.
Ooh, that's the best one I've seen today.
Whatever we want to do. Hey there, Delilah. Guys are freaking me out with this camera stuff.
Oh God.
Okay, I have a warranty.
What you do to me, iPod on the floor.
I know.
It zoomed in on your face.
Oh, it's what you do to me.
Now I'm zoomed in on Travis.
Yeah, I know. I just zoomed out.
What you do to me. What you do to me. No, focus.
My bad. Here, you can record me doing that.
Alright. I don't do it very well. Okay.
Yeah.
Love yourself. No place to go. That wasn't a very good one. My bad. Hey, I see this little square.
See how far I can zoom.
Alright, let's guess the shapes.
I don't zoom anymore.
I don't either.
How close are you?
Not very.
Me either.
I'm zooming.
Yeah.
A day to remember.
Nice wet spot again.
It's me. It is still there.
Yeah.
Like really bad.
Oh, it just ended when I was like, what's up? What is that?
This is Rebecca. This is the girl that like I haven't talked to in like 6 months.
There's mine. This is the back of my head.
That's Travis's head.
What it is, nigga? My bad.
Okay, I'll stop.